Honorable judges, respected opponents, and distinguished audience. Today, I rise not to play, but with facts. This motion to debate isn't about the past, but it is about the reality of the present that we face currently. The world is not living by pollution, by the ghost of industrial revolutions of the past, but it is being shown by the unchecked emissions of deforestation, waste under management, and issues of today's developing countries. First of all, I would like to shed some facts in front of you. Total cost of 60%, let me repeat that number, 60% of the overall emissions in the world today is not because of the developed countries. It is because of the ill management. It is because of the pollution being polluted in the developing countries. And no, it is not the developed countries' factories that are producing this. It is the vehicular pollution. It is the mismanagement of the waste that is causing these problems. Cities like Lahore, Dhaka, Delhi has been recorded with 25 times more levels of PM 2.5 in their atmosphere than the state limit as added by the UN and the WHO. 50% of the global tropical trees has been felled. 50% on the name of progress in countries like Brazil, Indonesia, and Congo, causing an increase of nearly 15% in CO2 emissions. What all this does add up? Ladies and gentlemen, this shows the hypocrisy that these countries are currently facing, that these countries are currently showing. They currently have no legitimate rules and regulations governing the amount of pollution that they produce in their country. And they come on and debate with the developed countries that it is the fault of theirs that this pollution is being produced. Ladies and gentlemen, we have to understand the developed countries are trying their best to reduce the amount of pollution. America, for example, has invested $370 billion in total to produce various renewable sources of energy to reduce the amount of carbon emissions. The fire devastating our climate isn't burning in history books, it is burning today. In the skies of Delhi, in the forests of Indonesia, and the oceans of Manila. If we keep blaming the past and ignore the present, there won't be a future left to debate about. Thank you very much.